Hello everyone, my name is Shayla and today I'm here with my beautiful Frenchie Olivia. We just wanted to say happy Halloween to everybody. 2020 has been the year, and because we are staying indoors this Halloween night, I just wanted to try my best at finishing a 1950s inspired Halloween skirt. And to do that, I'm going to be using the McCall patterns, the Archive Collection circa 1958, M71. I'm going to be doing the skirt with the shoulder straps. And if I have extra fabric, I'm also going to be doing Olivia a little one. Instead of a child, it's going to be my dog, because I'm a fur mom. Pet mom, a dog mom, whatever you want to call me, but I'm a dog mom. You like it? Are you going to wear it? Are you going to wear it? Are you going to wear this if I make it for you? Huh? So I don't have enough fabric for the 6 pieces that the pattern requires, because this is a very flowy skirt. It requires 6 pieces and they're very wide, and I just don't have enough fabric for it. So after thinking about it, what I'm going to end up doing, hopefully, is I'm going to end up just drafting a circle skirt. And then I'm still going to use the McCall patterns, just that I'm going to customize it to only use the waistband and the shoulder straps. So hopefully we can manage. The other unfortunate thing is that I won't be able to make Olivia a matching skirt with me. So we won't be able to match, we won't be able to be twins for Halloween. But I think she's okay with it. Are you okay with that? Did you want to be twins too? I think she wanted to be twins. What do you say? Did you want to be twins? Maybe we can be twins for Christmas, yeah? Or fall? Let's just keep going. Pieces. I got my circle skirt and my waistbands and the straps, and I did have enough fabric to make Olivia a matching one, so we are gonna be twinning, but hopefully I can finish this on time because today's Halloween and I have to finish this. Yeah. Alright, so this is the circle skirt. It turned out pretty good. You can see like this, and then it's gonna have the waistband and then the shoulder straps. It's still pretty flowy. I like how it looks. It looks good. It has an opening here, and then I'm gonna sew from the bottom up, leaving a couple of inches here to add the zipper so I can put it in and out with the zipper. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. So let's just get moving. So this is what it's looking like so far. These are the straps. the waistband, the circle skirt, but I just need to add the buttons right here, and then once I add them, the straps will go inside like this, like that. See, they won't show. So I need to know more or less where to sew the button. So I'm gonna mark a circle there, so that when I take it out, you can see it, the marking there, and that's where I'm gonna sew the button by hand. All right. Let's get to it. Hello? Yeah.
In this episode, I got the chance to talk to another pink obsessed dog mom, Taylor Breon Galloway. She's a pet dog mom,
Good girl. Thank you for letting me measure you. Thank you. So much for watching. I know that it's past Halloween, but I still wanted to upload it because I thought we looked really cute. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!